Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review, and my topic is how to gain control of your free time by Laura Vanderkam. So let's start it. Today I watched a very practical and inspiring TEDx talk titled How to Gain Control of Your Free Time by Laura, and it completely changed the way I think about time management and productivity. One of the biggest lessons from this talk is that many people believe they do not have enough free time, but in reality, the issue is often how we choose to use our time. Laura explains that time is one of the most valuable resources we have, yet we often spend it without planning on awareness. The talk highlights that if something is truly important to us, we usually find time for it instead of saying, I don't have time. We should ask ourselves, is this a priority for me? This small shift in mindset can completely change how we organize our daily lives. Another important message in the power of planning success. Successful people do not wait for free time to appear. They intentionally create it, whether it is exercise, learning a skill, spending time with family, or working on personal goals. Scheduling meaningful activities help us gain control of our own lives. Watching this static stock on the TED platform reminds us that productivity is not about being busy all the time. It is about using time wisely and intentionally. Watching both English and Urdu version makes the message more relatable and accessible for different audience. My biggest takeaway from this talk is simple, that we all have the same 24 hours, but the quality of our lives depends on how we choose to spend them. So viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.